So today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Telegram wallet to your OKX app. So if you don't have OKX app already, you can go to your Play Store and download your OKX app wallet there. Now what you need to do is when you open your Telegram, for example, I want to transfer money from this X Empire to my OKX wallet. You can see right now I don't have any money on my X Empire. So if you have a token on your X Empire, what you need to do is once you open your X Empire here, open your send, then you send the money that you want to create. So you need to have two options. The first option is to send X Empire to your Telegram contact or to your external wallet or your token space. Once you have that three options, what you need to do is click on your turn space, and after that you go to your OKX wallet. Go to your OKX wallet, click on your OKX wallet. Now what you need to do is make sure you sign into your OKX wallet, and after you've signed into your OKX wallet, then you go to your OKX wallet to go to OKX wallet to go and get the deposit account there. So just go there, click on your mine, click on your assets. Once you click on the asset here, you can see you have to make sure you get started. You have to sign in everything. Click on your let me click on this. So now you can see my country is not currently available. So if you're, I'm just going to show you, for example, now for you to see, you need to click on next. Now you have to do everything. So once you have do it, you make sure you choose the crypto at the one that you want to deposit for. Once you choose the crypto you wanted to deposit for, the next thing is you copy it. When you copy it, you're going to go to your Telegram wallet. You go to your Telegram wallet and go and paste it there. Once you paste it there, you are able to scan it. And once you are able to scan it, you just pick the amount that you wanted to deposit. Once you pick the amount you wanted to deposit, you'll be able to go through all the process. I wasn't able to do all this because currently now OKX wallet is not working in Nigeria. I could have get you all the means to get it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment.